15 top marketers share how they would earn $5,000 per month income if they had just 1 hour per day to create a real online business. That's what we're going to be talking about today, guys. John Shea here. I wanted to share another upcoming product launch with you. This is a product called the 1 Hour Workday, and today I'm actually going to go through this, kind of share my transparent thoughts on it, talk about what's included with it, if this is something that sounds like it's legit, how you could actually make money with it, and we're going to see if these claims actually hold up. So before we dive into today's video, be sure to throw me a thumbs up on the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future videos, and I'm going to walk you guys through everything that you need to know here upcoming throughout this entire review. So let's jump into today's video. Alright, so as I mentioned, they have a very bold claim on the sales page. It says that you can earn up to $5,000 per month working just an hour per day, right? So that's a pretty bold claim. They mention here on the sales page, you're going to learn how to start from scratch, get more focused, get more done in less time, make more money, get rid of shiny object syndrome, copy the exact steps from top marketers to go from 0 to 5,000 a month. It was created for newbies and experienced online marketers both. Every online marketer needs this, right? So very interesting. At the time of going through this, they have not completed the sales page. This is actually going live in just a few days now, so they've got some time. It'll be all done. But this is actually a product created by Mosh Bari. He actually creates a lot of products. I've seen many of his products come out. He said, I gave myself a challenge. I asked myself, what if I just had 1 hour per day to work on my business? What would I do to make money, get traffic, and earn passive income? So he went out and actually spoke to 15 successful internet marketers. Now, a lot of these people are very popular in the internet marketing space. You've got people like Brendan Mace, Glenn, Art Flair, Mike McKay, Billy Darr. All of these guys have gone out and actually made a significant amount of money online in the internet marketing space. Many of them, I know who they are. I've had conversations with them. I've promoted some of their products. I've had, basically, in some cases, even worked with them to some capacity. So I think one of the big things that I found valuable about this particular offer was that they talk about that he actually goes and interviews them and asks them these questions and gets tons of feedback from them. So literally buying this product just to learn what these guys are doing probably in of itself might be worth your while, because I know for a fact all of them are having some level of success, and most likely I would say each and every one of these guys on this list is earning at minimum $5,000 per month with their internet marketing business. In fact, I can tell you some of the people on this list are earning far more than that. So that's kind of one big thing that you're going to get with this particular product. They kind of break down, what would you do to make $5,000 per month? They talk about the 1 hour workday. It looks like they're going to be adding in some testimonials. They mentioned this could work for just about any type of niche, whether or not you're an affiliate marketer, blogger, local business owner, coach, consultant, pretty much anybody. They're going to tell you inside, you'll see the exact steps they would take, in a spare hour. This is what you could do. You're going to benefit and copy from all the best marketers, yada, 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 right? You guys kind of get the drift here. So let me kind of break down what this software is all about, and then I'm going to jump over, actually show you some bonuses. If you decide to pick up the 1 hour workday through me, I'll throw in some of those additional bonuses. So I was able to get access, review access to their actual back end of this software. Now, from a general look here, this looks like something similar to maybe some of the past products that Mosh has released, but possibly put like a different spin on it. The interface does look a little bit different from what I've seen, but essentially the idea here is that you have this nice software where you can come in and you can create various campaigns based on different things that you might be doing. So let's just say in my case, I'm going to be promoting a YouTube video. So I could actually go in here and make a new campaign, and we'll just call this like, YouTube promotion, right? And then we could give it a description. Okay, we have to do tests. And now I have this new campaign, and I believe it added it to the second page. So here it is here at the bottom. We can go in and now view this campaign, and we have to actually create jobs within the campaign. So I'm going to go click on New Job, and here you have different things that you might want to have done. You could have like Twitter tweets, Facebook posts, Pinterest pins, Flickr photos, Imager photos, Giphy photos, Dailymotion videos, Pixabay images, as well as Vimeo videos. It's a kind of a tongue twister. So as I go through all of these, right, depending on what it is that you need done, you can go in and actually put a description. So let's just say we want like cat videos, I don't know, it doesn't really matter. You can go in and put some random tags. You can then add some job keywords, so you can do like cat video, And now we can go and create this job, and it's actually going to go out and find content for this. And based on this, you can then create actions. So now it went and found all these cat videos. So our action might be, in this case, we'll do go to next. So now we can go and actually share it to all these different sites. Now, what's interesting about this is you could go out there and actually hire like a VA to maybe go in and do this, and you've got all these instant links to do this. So more or less, let's just say I have this video that I was publishing right now, and I wanted to hire a VA for $4 an hour to go out and find videos about making money online or utilize my video, and I want them to go share it on all these different social networks, get a bunch of Twitter tweets, do all these different things to it. They could use this software to go out and basically do this, right? So it really gives them like a way that they could go and get this set up. And then in addition to that, you've got some content that you can actually create. You can get specific content based on like closed captions from YouTube videos. So you could take a video. So in my case, I could take this video. Let's just use that as an example, right? I could paste it in here once it's done. It's going to pull all the closed caption content, and then you can actually go and connect your blog. So you can go here. They connected this blog. Let's see if we do view. I haven't looked at this blog to see what they set up, but you could add in. Let's see if this actually. I have no idea what's on this site. So that's the wrong link. It didn't copy it. Let's see. We'll just do go to. See if this pastes properly. There we go. So it looks like this is just someone's opt-in page, but essentially you could put your blog in here. You can add in a blog. You could put your blog name, your WordPress user, password. You have a plugin that you can actually install, and then once you activate this, you can have all that content that's captured from your YouTube videos and put it into a blog format. So it will essentially speed up a lot of the time that if you were to like take your own video and try to like rewrite the entire thing and turn it into actual words, that's going to be pretty difficult. So it's another way of just getting some extra traffic and visibility on your stuff. Otherwise, you have all the settings in here to go in and essentially connect it with all these different third-party tools. There's a couple affiliate sites if you want to utilize Amazon as well as eBay. You could put your links into a lot of the blog content that you're creating. Now, this doesn't look too different from some past software that I've seen from Mosh. Can you make $5,000 a month with this? I would say it's kind of going to be one of those things. It depends on how you utilize it. You're probably not going to be sitting in here by yourself utilizing this, but if you are looking to get more traffic to, maybe your review videos, your affiliate offers, whatever that may be, you could likely utilize this software to come up with some ways to like give people tasks. And VAs are not very expensive, right? You could spend $4 an hour, and if you think about it, an hour is a good amount of time. Imagine if someone was going in and just sharing stuff on like YouTube or Facebook or whatever it is, just trying to get your stuff out there on social networks. You could go and get a lot of work done from someone in that hour. And imagine if you paid them for like 5 hours of work, right? What are they going to do in that time? Now, in your case, right, all you need is a little bit of traffic to actually go and make some sales from an affiliate offer. So if you utilize this, go get the closed captions, you have your blog, that stuff's getting shared all over the place, you've got affiliate links loaded into that, you may be able to make some money from this. Can you make $5K a month? I don't know. I mean, I think it's really kind of up to you guys whether or not you decide to take them up on this. I am going to throw in some bonuses if you decide to pick this up. So let's go over those here really quick. Basically, the bonuses I'm throwing in are my Azon Profit Lab. This is a course that I teach on everything that you need to know about going out there and building Amazon affiliate sites. So you might be able to actually utilize some of what I teach in this course along with this offer and use that as something where you could go out and start making some extra money. I also have my blogging advice for beginners. So again, this will be a really good match to this if you want to go and utilize that WordPress blog and start to get some more traffic and obviously make some more money from affiliate offers. You're going to get my ebook product launch course. So if you need some traffic to that ebook that maybe you've created and you want to go out there and launch it and make some money, I show you a case study of how I went out and took a $7 ebook and turned it into $2,000. You're also going to get access to the secret weapon, which is basically an affiliate marketing and traffic course. And you're also going to get access to the WordPress Automation Secrets 8-part series course. So this would also be another nice addition to this offer because you're going to learn some automation tips that you can use to make even more money and basically do less work on your own, which is really the whole idea of this particular offer. So beyond that, they do have a few upsells. They talked about here some of the main things. You're going to get a course, which is going to give you some simple ways on how to make $5K per month using the 1 Hour Workday by using specific set of tasks. So they're actually going to break down in their training how to use the software doing very specific tasks and how you could go and make some good money. Then they went out and asked the 10 plus entrepreneurs about if they only had an hour per day, what would they do to make 5K per month. It breaks down some of the software benefits. You know, you can get more traffic, proven results, make money. Simple, right? It does seem pretty straightforward. Let's see what they have. So they do have some upsells. It looks like they've got resell rights, so you'll be able to resell this and make all the money. They've got some other, it looks like, let's see, something called Task Killer. I've never heard of that. So it looks like they've got an additional software agency license, so you could basically resell this. Reseller rights. They have a club, which is $39 a month. White label rights, which means that you could put your own branding on it. And yeah, if you don't take them up on the initial white label rights, you can actually go with their downsell and save about $100. So a nice little tip there for you guys. But yeah, it looks like Task Killer is a task management software. So normally this would be $200 per month, but they're actually giving you access to this at a cheaper price. You're going to get that agency license, Gold Miners Club. So I mean, some of these, I don't know, it's kind of up to you. Task software might be worthwhile, although it does have a monthly fee. They do have a premium offering as well, where they offer some extra bonuses. So I mean, this is kind of up to you guys if you decide to pick up some of the upsells. But ultimately, I mean, this is one of those things that, yeah, I mean, could you make 5K a month? Yes, you'd probably have to go and hire a lot of VAs and really come up with some other strategies on how you could use specific tasks and get people designated working on these tasks. Is it going to make you rich overnight? Probably not. I mean, it's not. This isn't like some groundbreaking thing. So just being transparent. I mean, I think for what it is, you know, if you jump in for 12, 13 bucks here when it starts out at its front end sale, you could probably make some money just based on going through those interviews alone with the top marketers and learning what they're doing to make money every single month. I think that would probably be the big value proposition here. So anyway, again, I'm going to throw in all my extra bonuses. WordPress automation secrets, the secret weapon, ebook product launch case study, blogging advice for beginners, and my Azon Profit Lab. I'll see you guys in my next upcoming videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and be sure to throw me any questions or comments below in this video. Thanks.